Hi, and welcome to Text University. In this tutorial, I'm giving you a quick overview of reports, your go-to hub for tracking performance across chats, tickets, bots, and your support team, where you'll find everything from daily stats to long-term trends all in one place. On the sidebar, head to Reports. Let's start at the top. Overview gives you a snapshot of your service activity across all channels, so you can keep an eye on performance at a glance. At the top, you'll see featured stats, total cases, a combined count of chats and tickets, total chats split into manual, assisted, and automated interactions, and chat CSAT, your customer satisfaction score based on chat feedback. Color cues and arrows show how you're trending compared to the previous period, which is great for spotting spikes or drops in volume and satisfaction. For more detailed metrics, scroll down. These go deeper and help you take action. Use chat first response time to see how quickly your team replies. If it's creeping up, it may be time to optimize coverage or use more automations. Total chat duration shows how long conversations last. Shorter chats can mean faster resolutions, but watch out for rushed interactions that hurt satisfaction. Missed chats tell you if customers are leaving without help. A high number here might call for better routing or bot coverage. Ticket resolution time shows how long it takes to close issues. This can help you spot bottlenecks in your support process. You can even compare efficiency between agents and bots using the chats per hour metrics. It's a great way to understand how AI is contributing to your overall workload. And lastly, you can use time filters to view 7, 30, 90, or 365-day trends, or even set a custom date range to review performance during specific campaigns or seasonal peaks. If you'd like an even more detailed view, you can go to Metrics Breakdown. This report lets you track performance by day, week, or month. Perfect for preparing reports or running regular team reviews. It provides a spreadsheet-style report similar to the ones you're used to, but now it's prepared automatically, saving you the hassle of doing it manually. You'll also find different categories of reports, starting with chat reports, where you can track everything about your customer conversations. See how many chats happen each day, when your team is most active, how chats are initiated, missed chat stats, and customer satisfaction scores. We also have teammate reports, which give you insights into agent performance, including response times, activity levels, and even staffing predictions to help you plan ahead. Feel free to explore the rest of the categories to see what's most useful for your team. Whether you're managing daily operations or planning your next strategy, Reports helps you measure what matters and take action. Keep exploring, and I'll see you in the next one.